Hi everyone, welcome to GM Film Freaks and Vlogs YouTube channel. This is Jay. Today video is going to be very interesting as I'm going to interact with the unrecognized gold medalist, Professor Arthur Love, MA, MEd, MSS graduate, also a sportsman, social activist, and was in Human Rights Commission since 30 years. Is my grandfather. Let's get to know about him in person. So sir, I know much about you, but people don't know about you. Just introduce you about yourself to the people, sir.
I am Mr. S. Arthur Love, born at Bangalore, brought up at Kolar Goldfield, under the care of my parents. My father was worked in the mines without any remarks for 45 years. The sudden demise of my parents forced me to come back to Bangalore for my food and shelter. At present, I am staying with my relatives.
Okay, sir. So tell me about your qualifications, sir.
Yes, I have done my schooling at Ambedkar High School, KJ.
Okay.
Graduation at KJ First College. I have done my post-graduation in economics by securing a rank at Mysore University, Mysore. Okay. Besides that, I have done my MA, Master of Education, and Master of Sports Science from other universities.
Okay, sir.
States University.
So I came to know that you are into human rights.
Yes,
so
yes,
can you tell
certainly.
me or elaborate the things?
Yeah, I have been authorized to monitor complaints with all the departments of education, government, NGOs, including police.
Okay.
I have been defending the fundamental rights and delayed justice of children against corporal punishment, child labor, and child marriage.
Okay.
Thus, I brought about innovation in human rights awareness.
Okay. So nice of you, sir. So since you are a social activist, so what are the achievements you till now you have taken, sir?
Yeah, I am also very glad to tell you this. Very inspiring history. I am one among the pioneers in the line of social work, community development service. With the help of my walking stick, this is my transport. I visited almost all the rural areas. I to help them to make the city green and clean, and started community development programs, plus adult education program and orientation to help the illiterate people in the rural areas. Besides that, I have guided them to approach the government for various aspects through my counseling. I have conducted parents and teachers public meeting in the Panchayat hall. Just I was sharing my talents with the village people.
Okay. So what reason do you feel, sir, that you are not recognized by the government or any other interviewers?
Yes, certainly I am under frustration only. In spite of sending several files, records to the central government, state government, my real merit was not taken into consideration because of the political influence and interference of ministers. Thus I was discouraged. Still, I didn't lose my hope at this last stage of my life.
Okay, sir. You being a sportsman, so what are the achievements in sportsmanship, sir?
I have brought international identity in athletics and hockey. I have participated in the Asian Games of 1982, where I was honored by the late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi for sportsman excellentship. Besides, I took part in Seoul Asian Games, and also I was adjudged as the best forward hockey player at the World University Sports Meet held at Bangkok and Thailand. Besides that, I have also working as a technical official for Asian Games, Commonwealth, Olympic Games, and Children's Olympiad. These are my achievements. Besides, I have been coaching and training the youngsters for excellence in sports at national level.
Sir, since you've been in human rights, so what are the achievements in human rights, sir, till now?
By recognizing my outstanding social service for the past 45 years, the International Human Rights Authorities appointed me as a special rapporteur for the states. So accordingly, I have been authorized to monitor complaints with all the government, NGOs, education department, including police. So I have been creating awareness with all the people about human rights. Similarly, I am also fighting for the delayed fundamental justice of children against corporal punishment, child labor, child marriage, and child abuse. Thus, I brought an impact with the people about human rights awareness.
Okay, sir. So nice of that. So, what are the awards till now and the recognition you got, sir?
Yes, I received that Indira Gandhi Excellence Award 1982. Again, late Mother Teresa's Excellence Award in Social Work. Besides, Raja Bhavan Award. Plus, I received One among the Intel of 20th Century Award.
Okay.
Besides, I received Best Sports Person Award at New Delhi, at Dayanand Stadium, New Delhi,
Okay.
where I was honored.
Sir, and you are also a gold medalist, right?
Yes, yes.
So, can you tell me about that, sir?
I won the gold medal. I have selected relay is my best events.
Okay.
Okay, I competed with Argentina University, top universities of Australia, Netherlands, Belgium, including Germany, Pakistan, Korea.
Okay.
But I showed my efficiency skill. I scored very well.
Okay.
And I have been honored for my excellence in that category. I first identity I brought to the states and to our country.
Okay.
Yes.
So, you're the one. who
Yes,
bring the
yeah,
first
yeah.
identity.
Yes, yes. Because relay was my pet event.
Okay.
Okay, relay is my pet event. I
And,
only one.
And you are also a hockey player, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Good,
okay.
good sprinter, come hockey legend.
And some
Okay.
Dayal Chand. the
Yeah,
first
I
one.
met Dayachan during 1917 before its demise at Delhi, and also I met in athlete Milkha Singh uncle, the former flying Sikh who expired recently.
Okay.
These two people given me guidance. I followed their technical aspect while dribbling hockey and to take my sprinting pose in the athletics meet.
Okay, okay. Sir, tell me about Dayal Chand because I too don't know. After talking to you only, I came to know who Dayal Chand is. Tell the people who is Dayal
Yes,
Chand.
Dayanand, one of the tiger of Indian hockey team, is the first one to secure 5 international gold medals. He was son of an army officer. After discontinuing 7th standard, he couldn't get any source. So you go to a tree, you to take some ball with some pillowcase. In that he used to play with the ordinary rod. So gradually, one by one, he became popular about hockey. He learned the skill about hockey, and is the man greatest hunger for goals. And a very simpleton, very simple person. Egoism, proudness was not there. He was a very good center forward, top scorer. The dribbling skill, the capacity of scoring, changing penalty kick in his goal is the only one. Nobody made that capacity till today. So his demise was in 10th of December during 1979. Earlier, before his death, I met him during 1917, before the Asian Games. I took some of his technical ideas, how to handle the game, how to dribble the ball, how to score with the stick, how to run with the stick. These are the points I received from him, technical for Dayanand Chand. So I am very grateful for him always. But the public never knew about Dayanand Chand. It is the government to take the step to put that tiger, his biography, his country achievements in paper, in textbook, so that children will be aware, they will get more encouragement for their future prospect in hockey game.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, when I talked to you, I came to know that your achievements were shown in TV9
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and carried in many more newspapers
Yes.
in many languages.
Yes,
Can
yes.
you tell about that, sir?
Yeah. My news was carried on by that Bangalore Mirror, TV9. Similarly, Indian Express paper, followed by Deccan Herald, Prajavani, Sanjay Vani, E. Sanjay, Eenadu paper, Telugu, and also Malayalam Manorama. Almost all people took my information, media reports. But the more important achievements, contribute towards education and sports carried by the Bangalore Mirror people by verifying all my authentic records and photographs. Thus, I got that recognition from that press report.
Okay. Sir, and you was also one among the bus accident, right, with your team?
Yes, yes, very tragic incident took place during the midnight hour at Vellore. While I was accompanying the children for some sports meet, the bus and the lorry collided. As an impact, the bus was completely burnt and withstood like a skeleton within a fraction of 10 minutes. I am the lone survivor inside. I rescued all the people at the cost of my fractured leg, and I myself jumped out of the window and rescued my life. The conductor and the driver ran with their money bag without bothering about the passenger inside. So I rescued all the victims in the bus. At the 11th hour, police people came and took me to the hospital. Till then, never knew. I lost all my documents, important items, everything perished within a fraction of 1 second. Only God given me life to survive. It is witnessed by the reports, media reports, police department FIR, including the medical department given the concrete evidence about the burning of buses. It is carried in the paper for your kind information.
Okay, sir. So sorry about that. The things you lost in the accident, right?
Yes.
It was written and given by the Human Rights Commission.
Yes, yes. A certified me stating that Arthur Love is a teacher social worker, human activities. He's a sports person. And the midnight hour of September, while he was traveling from Bangalore to Chennai to Bangalore, the bus was collided. As an impact, all his important documents, records have been completely perished. So I request the public, other people, to accommodate him, to help him by seeing my authentic records through my lettered paper.
Okay, sir. So, sir, you are one among the volunteers for UNICEF, UNO, and UNESCO.
Yes, sir, yes. Since 30 years, I have been involved for UNO. I am the special reporter also. My paper is preserved at UNO, UNESCO, UNICEF, and UNO, including URD, United Nations Rural Development Program. Every month, I am getting the report from UNO.
Okay.
I am one of the peaceful ambassador. Okay, they selected me also. I am giving my report. I have sent several papers to the ministry. So I am involved with UNICEF, UNO, UNESCO in all respect.
Okay.
Even till today I am involved with that. It is a bona fide service without any remuneration. It's a voluntary work.
Okay, so nice of that, sir. Sir, tell me about the girl you selected, won the prize, and she.
Yes, very good, very good. One of the girl from Vijayanagar, Mageshwari, Meenu Sharma, Marwadi girl, I took her to state level. In high jump, she cleared about 6 feet at the age of 14 years. It's a landmark in the history of Bangalore. So that girl is selected airports, is going to America, London, Germany, visiting all over the world in aeroplane. So my port certificate, my training helped her to select immediately at airports at Delhi. Meenu Sharma. Father is survived at Vijayanagar still today. Now he is a mother of 2 kids. He is recognizing me. He is the first girl whom I supported up to national level.
Okay. Sir, after that, do you meet her?
I met her once. She couldn't recognize me. She couldn't help me. She told me that he posted at Delhi along with her husband.
Okay, sir. So nice of that. And sir, you've been giving us free sports.
Yes. It's a very wonder. All over the states of Karnataka, I have been giving sports material, sports uniform, plus other items to the deserving students. No MLA, no MP came to my rescue to help the children.
Everything from your cost?
Yeah, from my cost without expecting even a penny from the public.
Okay.
So what all I earned, I spent for the welfare of children.
Okay.
To spread sports culture.
Okay. So, and you played many more games to contribute funds for.
Yes, I have played many exhibition matches. Okay. To contribute, to get donation for the street children, orphan children, widows and destitute children. I have played many exhibition matches like Chennai Radhakrishna Stadium, okay, and Calcutta Riot Stadium and Dayanand Stadium at Delhi. So I showed my talent. They collected huge amount and utilized for the welfare of poor, destitute children.
Okay, sir. Sir, just one thing it's striking me again and again. In spite of doing all these things, and why the government didn't recognize you or other individuals?
Yes. The reality is not counted by the people. Okay. Since I am very humble and simple, I won't get any political influence or recommendation. I have been following my track and standing on my own leg. So without influence, I could not take anything. I could not receive any honor. There is none to support.
Do you feel anything about it, sir?
No, past is past. I am not worrying. Past is. I am not looking for honor or a medal or honor or anything. I want some funds, some help to help the younger generation. I am not looking for honor and popularity because my stage is over.
Okay.
Just I was to share my God-given talent in the interest of welfare of children. That is my main ambition.
Sir, you've been through many cultural activities, right?
Yes.
So tell me about that, sir.
Okay. My multifarious talents were shared among the children, especially in dance, music, drawing, painting and other co-curricular activities. I have been training the children in Kannada language, English, Tamil and Hindi language for various dramas, mono acting and dancing. I brought honor to our state through this inter-school competition, national level, state level competition. And also I have been sending selected drawings of children to Osaka Institute of Japan. I brought a credit. Plus Uzbekistan, Russian competition, I sent a girl from Mysore, secured the prize. Likewise, I have been sending drawing and paintings of children. In addition to that, one of my own sisters and by name Sasidaran, you secured a gold medal in drawing and painting. The former Najma Abdullah, the Rajya Sabha speaker, was greatly honored. The news is carried in the paper. He is the youngest artist of our Karnataka state under 10 years group. I am very glad to expose this.
Okay. Sir, ஒண்ணே ஒன்று கேட்கணும்னு இருந்தேன். ஸோ உங்கள் ட்ராவல் எப்படி பண்ணுவீங்க?
ஆமாப்பா எனக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டம்தான். ஓகே, ஐ ஹவ் பீன் கோயிங் அண்ட் வாக்கிங், okay, with the help of my own transport system, because I don't have any remuneration, no assistance, nobody sponsoring me, to avoid that. Short distance by walking, long distance used to go by train or bus if anybody sponsors me. So I started very difficult journey in the village areas where I could not get any privilege and facilities. Thus I undergone many miseries, difficulties during the circle of my life, especially transport is concerned.
Okay, so எது இருந்தாலும் நடந்தே போயிடுவீங்க?
ஆமாங்க.
ஓகே சார். ஸோ அது என்ன சொல்கிறது எனக்கு தெரியல. லைக்
பரவாயில்ல, கிட்ட வரட்டும். இவ்வளோ வந்துக்கிறிய உங்கள் ஸ்டேஜுக்கு. மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் ஆர் டு லைஃப், வாட் ஷேடோஸ் ஆர் டு லைட். வித்தவுட் மிஸ்டேக் நோ லைஃப். ஸோ வி வெல்கம் மிஸ்டேக், தென் ஒன்லி வில் கெயின் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ்.
யா சார், அண்ட் ஒன் மோர் திங். ஸோ tell me about your life journey, sir. So from the beginning till now, so what and all you want to tell, like share your experience.
Okay, my previous life is known for history, tragedy and comedy. Okay, I was born and brought up in a royal family with a philanthropic family. Later on, due to some disparity among the family relatives, we were all dispirited and came to other places. Of course, the life was very interesting at the initial stage. Later on, I experienced very good difficulties and trials. In spite of that, we withstood with simplicity and honesty. So at last, God given the privilege to go here and there. Wherever I go, I was rejected. I was dishonored. I could not get any privilege because of external appearance. Okay, since fine cloth opened all doors, I have been humiliated by many people, including officers, because of lack of finance. In spite of that, with courage and confidence, I withstood and challenged with the people, and my circle of life is going on till today. With miseries, hardship, difficulties and disappointments, in spite of my awards and rewards.
Sir, and you are unmarried also?
Yes, due to poverty, I had some relatives problem. Due to that, I don't have any interest. Those people
and cheat. You are happy in
alone life. I am very happy to share my pleasure with the company of poor children, the blind, the physically handicapped, the deaf children, and the accident victim, the cyclone victim and all, through NGOs.
Okay, sir. And one more thing. So, what you want to tell to the younger generation of this age?
I give my very good advice. I guide. I would help the children to follow the footsteps of farmer people. I have been helping them sports culture to spread and respect the elders' culture and moral culture, in addition to spiritual culture. Because without spiritual moral culture, education culture is very nil and dark and doubtful. So my ambition to share my experience with the children, to be very frank, honest, and follow honesty and simplicity in their undertakings, to get very worth in life.
Okay, so that they will also get
yes
in life.
Yes.
Okay, sir. And one last thing. So I came to know that you were nominated for some awards.
Yes. I am very glad. Okay, it is not only surprising but very inspiring. Unfortunately,
received so late also.
Yes. So in spite of that, by enclosing all my authentic records through the online, day before yesterday, I sent Padma Awards for distinguished service come exceptional achievements in education and sports. Plus for social work, I have sent my nomination for Subhash Chandra Bose Bhavana Awards. Okay. And also I have sent my letter to Dhyan Chand Achievement in Hockey Award. The three. I request the public also, the parents also, to extend your patronage for further encouragement.
Okay, sir. We do support you. Best of luck for the future, sir, and all the very, very best for the upcoming awards. We wish that you have to achieve everything very soon. And thank you so much for the precious time that you have given me. And I myself feeling very honored to take an interview such a beautiful person.
Yes.
And thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, I am very much pleased to offer my thanks for your channel team, especially my grandson taking the initiative. I delighted very much about your special interest and initiative, a special pain for my gain. I thank you one and all. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir. People watching this video, show some love and honor to Professor Author Love in nominating him for further awards in the link given in the description. And to the people who want to check his records, I have posted in my Instagram page, and ID is also given in the description. Kindly check it. So I wish him all the success and luck in the future. Best of luck, sir.